Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add local business schema to your business website so that your business website is more discoverable by search engines like Google, and more customers can find your website and actually, contact you and inquire about your business's services. There are a few ways to do this. The way I'm going to be showing you today is going to be by using this micro generator tool to generate the code, and we're going to be generating HTML code, which I find a preferable way to add this code into like a WordPress website, right? So it's going to look something like this, right? You want to add this code to the bottom, the footer section of your website to help your business's website, be more discoverable in the search engine. And it's also really good for NAP consistency, name, address, phone number, which is really important for ranking well if you're a local business on Google search, Google's organic search, right? So before we get into that, I'm Hunter, digital nomad who's been making money online for about 4 years now. And on this channel, I talk about various online business models and tactics to make money online. I really like doing a lot of tutorials like this. So with this specific, video, you could take this if you're a local business owner. You could use this information if you're doing the rank and rent local lead generation business model. This is a great way to add that local business schema to your, digital assets. If you're offering local SEO services through your own marketing agency, this could be applicable, in many situations. So if that kind of content sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be posting, regular videos on these type of topics. So getting into the video content now, I'm not at all associated with this business. I'm just going to use them as an example of how to do this. So you're going to come in here. I'll leave the link in the description below for Microdata generator. So you're first going to come in here and choose the business type. So this one is a roofing contractor. So come in here, scroll down. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So this would be under the home and construction business. So perfect. They have roofing contractor. And I'm going to take the business name, Centurion Roofing. Centurion Roofing. Okay. Then you're going to need, very important, of course, the address. Okay. City, Miami, Florida. Email and URL you should definitely add, so they have that there. And URL, just take the URL. Okay, and then you can make these clickable depending on what you're using this for. So like if you're going to put this on the bottom of your website, then there's not really a reason, I don't think, to make them clickable, because you already have the URL. You're on our main website. I guess you could make the email clickable just so it's easy to send an email right away. But if you're using like a black hat SEO strategy to try to rank your site, where you would tier links from like a PBN, you wouldn't want to make these clickable if you're going to include this schema information on those PBN posts, because you don't want to get your website totally messed up, or Google to flag your website. So you would want to leave these unclickable if you're using like a black hat SEO strategy like that, and you don't want your website to be like Google to see the link, where the link is going, right? Hopefully that makes sense. Might talk more about that in a later video, but I don't know because it is a black hat SEO strategy. Okay, so then you could also come here and say what kind of payment. You can put the hours, but I'm just going to use this information because this is pretty much the most important stuff, right? Name, address, phone number, nap for nap consistency. So then you can come down here. I'm going to do HTML because I find that a little bit better for like doing WordPress. So I'm going to copy this, right? Copy this, and right here is very important that you actually test. So it gives you the link here to go to the test page. So this is really important because I've done this before where I didn't test it and my schema was totally messed up. It didn't come out as the local business schema, so it wasn't fulfilling the desired effect. So I'm going to come in here, change this to code, and then paste it in. Now I'm going to test the code. This is right through Google, so this is the official Google testing page. And then perfect, it says 2 items validated. It sees this as a local business and it is an organization, right? So yeah, then like I said, if you're a local business or you're working on a local business website using WordPress, you could put this into, or it doesn't matter if you're using WordPress or not, but for my example, I would be using WordPress. You'd want to paste this into the footer. So if you're using WordPress, you could just go to Customize, then go to Footer Builder, add a widget there, and then with the widget, you can add HTML code so that this local business schema shows up in the footer section of your website. And yeah, it just makes your website a lot more discoverable, or in your local business, a lot more discoverable for Google, and it increases the chance that your local business is going to show up in the search results and in the rich search results. So here's the official Google page for local business schema, also known as structured data. There's a lot of different kind of structured data you can add. So this is the simple business listing. As you can see here, it's showing like just real quick, the address, the hours it's open. You can do like menu, find a table. You can directly call the business, click on the website. And then there's a lot more complicated ones like restaurant carousel, business hours, multiple departments, stuff like that, right? So this one is just the one I did here today is just like really simple business schema that's really good for like NAP consistency. So if you have like citations across the internet with your local business's information, adding this schema to your website kind of connects it all and helps Google to verify that all the information is correct, and they can confidently display your business's information when people are searching for your business in your area. All right, guys, yeah, I told you it would be pretty simple and easy. I hope you got value out of the video. If you did, please drop a like on the video. If you're looking for SEO support with your business, feel free to reach out to my agency, Coswater Digital. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can contact us if you need any support with SEO services. And if you're here to make money online, I wish you, or make money in general, we're all here to make money, right? So I wish everybody watching the video great luck, great success in their business endeavors. Cheers.